Welcome to our channel. Today we're taking you on a journey through the Balkans, one of Europe's most stunning and underrated regions. From Slovenia to Montenegro, get ready to discover 6 breathtaking destinations you won't want to miss. We'll wander through ancient towns steeped in history, marvel at pristine natural wonders, and soak in the warm hospitality of the Balkans. So, pack your bags, grab your travel journal, and let's embark on an unforgettable adventure together.
Our first stop takes us to Lake Bled, a picture-perfect destination nestled in the Julian Alps of Slovenia. As you approach the lake, you'll be captivated by its emerald green waters, so clear you can see the bottom. In the middle of the lake lies Bled Island, home to the iconic Church of the Assumption, its elegant spire piercing the sky. Legend has it that ringing the church bell grants good luck. To truly appreciate the beauty of Lake Bled, take a leisurely stroll around its perimeter. The path winds through lush forests, offering glimpses of the lake and the surrounding mountains. For a different perspective, rent a traditional wooden boat called a pletna and row yourself to the island. Overlooking the lake from a rocky precipice is Bled Castle, a medieval fortress with a history dating back to the 11th century. Climb the castle's ramparts for breathtaking panoramic views of the lake, the island, and the surrounding countryside. Imagine the knights of old gazing out at this very scene. Inside the castle, you can explore the museum, learn about the region's history, and even try your hand at medieval archery. After a day of exploring, treat yourself to a slice of Bled cream cake, a local delicacy. This creamy, custard-filled pastry is the perfect way to end a perfect day in this Slovenian paradise. As the sun dips behind the mountains, casting a warm glow on the lake, take a moment to savor the tranquility of this magical place. Lake Bled is a destination that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye.
Our Balkan adventure continues in Montenegro, a small but mighty country with a dramatic coastline. Prepare to be wowed by Kotor, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled within the Bay of Kotor, often called Europe's southernmost fjord. The bay's deep blue waters are surrounded by towering limestone cliffs, creating a scene of dramatic beauty. Kotor's medieval old town is a labyrinth of narrow cobblestone streets, charming squares, and ancient buildings. As you wander through the town, you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. Explore the Cathedral of St. Tryphon, a Romanesque masterpiece, and the Maritime Museum, which tells the story of Kotor's seafaring past. For the best views of Kotor and the bay, lace up your hiking boots and embark on the challenging but rewarding hike up to the fortress of St. John. The trail winds its way up the mountainside, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Once you reach the top, you'll be rewarded with panoramic vistas of the bay, the town, and the surrounding mountains. After your hike, reward yourself with a refreshing drink at one of the cafes lining Kotor's waterfront. Watch as the boats bob in the harbor and soak in the laid-back atmosphere of this charming town. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow on the bay, you'll understand why Kotor is considered one of the most beautiful places in the Balkans.
Our journey through the Balkans now takes us to Ohrid, a town in North Macedonia, often called the Jerusalem of the Balkans. Situated on the shores of Lake Ohrid, one of Europe's oldest and deepest lakes, Ohrid is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As you stroll along the lake's edge, take in the serenity of your surroundings. The water is so clear that you can see the lake bed, even at a depth of several meters. Ohrid once had 365 churches, one for each day of the year. Visit the Church of St. John at Kaneo, perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the lake. Another must-see is the Church of Sveta Sofia, home to some of the region's best-preserved Byzantine art. After sightseeing, treat yourself to a traditional Macedonian meal at one of Ohrid's many restaurants. As the sun sets over Lake Ohrid, appreciate the enduring beauty of this remarkable place.
Our next stop takes us to Croatia, where we'll experience the awe-inspiring beauty of Plitvice Lakes National Park. This natural wonder is a series of 16 cascading lakes, interconnected by waterfalls and surrounded by lush forests. The water here shimmers with an array of blues and greens thanks to the mineral deposits from the surrounding rocks. One of the best ways to experience Plitvice Lakes is by following the wooden walkways that crisscross the park. These paths take you over the water, alongside waterfalls and through forests, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Listen to the soothing sounds of nature as the water cascades over the rocks and the birds sing in the trees. Keep your camera ready as you're sure to encounter an abundance of wildlife in the park. From deer and foxes to owls and eagles, Plitvice Lakes is home to a diverse range of animals. If you're lucky, you might even spot a brown bear, though they tend to be elusive. For a different perspective of the lakes, hop on one of the electric boats that ferry visitors across the larger lakes. As you glide across the water, surrounded by towering waterfalls and verdant forests, you'll be amazed by the sheer scale and beauty of this natural wonder. Plitvice Lakes National Park is a place where you can truly connect with nature and escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Whether you're an avid hiker, a nature enthusiast, or simply looking for a place to relax and recharge, Plitvice Lakes is a destination that will leave a lasting impression.
Our Balkan adventure now leads us to Mostar, a historic city in Bosnia and Herzegovina that's known for its iconic bridge, its blend of cultures, and its resilient spirit. The Stari Most, or Old Bridge, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a symbol of the city's Ottoman past. This graceful stone arch spans the Neretva River, connecting the city's Muslim and Christian quarters. As you approach the Stari Most, take a moment to appreciate its elegant architecture. The bridge was originally built in the 16th century and stood for over 400 years before being destroyed during the Bosnian War in 1993. Its reconstruction, completed in 2004, is a testament to the city's determination to rebuild and move forward. Take a walk across the Stari Most, feeling the history beneath your feet. Watch as local divers take the plunge from the bridge into the icy waters below, a tradition that dates back centuries. The divers often wait for donations from onlookers before showcasing their skills. Explore the charming cobblestone streets of Mostar's old town, where you'll find a fascinating mix of Ottoman and Mediterranean architecture. Browse the shops selling traditional crafts, sip Bosnian coffee at a local cafe, and savor the flavors of kevapi, grilled minced meat served with flatbread. Mostar is a city that has faced its share of challenges, but its spirit remains unbroken. The warmth of its people, the beauty of its surroundings, and the power of its history make Mostar an unforgettable destination.
Our final stop takes us to Bulgaria, where we'll discover the spiritual heart of the country Rila Monastery. Nestled high in the Rila Mountains, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is the largest and most important Eastern Orthodox monastery in Bulgaria. As you approach the monastery, you'll be struck by its imposing size and its stunning setting. Step inside the monastery's courtyard and you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you. The air is filled with the scent of incense, and the only sounds are the gentle murmur of prayers and the chirping of birds. The monastery's architecture is a blend of Byzantine and Bulgarian styles, with colourful facades, intricate arches and soaring domes. The monastery's main church, the Church of the Nativity of the Virgin, is a masterpiece of Bulgarian religious art. Step inside to marvel at its gilded iconostasis, its intricate frescoes and its glittering chandeliers. The frescoes, which cover nearly every inch of the church's interior, depict scenes from the Bible and the lives of saints. After exploring the church, wander through the monastery's museum, which houses a rich collection of religious artifacts, including icons, manuscripts, and liturgical objects. Be sure to see the Raphael's cross, a wooden cross carved with over 100 biblical scenes. As you leave the monastery and make your way back down the mountain, take a moment to reflect on the tranquility and beauty you've experienced. Rila Monastery is a place of peace, spirituality, and breathtaking artistry, a fitting end to our journey through the Balkans. Thanks for joining us on this virtual tour of the Balkans. From Slovenia's Fairytale Lake to Bulgaria's mountain monastery, we've explored just a taste of what this captivating region has to offer. We've wandered through ancient towns, marveled at natural wonders, and experienced the warmth of Balkan hospitality. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel inspiration. We're passionate about sharing the beauty and culture of our world with you. Remember, the world is full of incredible destinations waiting to be discovered. So, Pack your bags, embrace the adventure, and let the spirit of travel guide you. See you in the next adventure.